Colbeck and I'm Head of Early Years at Preschools School. I would 100% recommend BilinguaSing. It's a fantastic organisation with fantastic teachers that are passionate about changing the lives of children through languages. We chose BilinguaSing because we wanted a programme that was going to enrich our pupils' experiences, give them life skills through sensory play and singing, and be something that they could bring with them through their experience at Preschools School.
Parents absolutely love that children take part in extracurricular activities, and the fact that it includes a new language is a fantastic life skill. It definitely helps to stand out from every other early years provider.
The classes really benefit the children. It encourages their communication in language, encourages their personal development because they're working in a group and they just really enjoy it. The impact is lovely to see because we hear them singing Spanish later in the week, you hear them like recognising things, which is really lovely, and the children ask daily, are we having Spanish today? So that's really good.